Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Patrons were treated to world-class performances at the charity event, an evening with Air Supply and Third World featuring coffee, held on the lawns of the Couple Sans Souci in Tower Isle, Oterias on Saturday. Reggae ambassadors Third World, who were celebrating 40 years, did not drop the baton and took patrons on a musical journey, performing favorites from their extensive catalog, which included Now That We Found Love, Forbidden Love, Sense of Purpose, Committed, and Conscious Reggae Party, among others. The band also performed the song Love You Is Easy from their new album More Work to Be Done, produced by Damian Marley. Violinist Jessica Yap also shared the stage with the band for this tribute, which included songs from the ska era such as Ska 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 and My Boy Lollipop. After hitting the stage, headliners Air Supply performed their hits, much to the delight of the highly appreciative audience. Among the tracks they performed were Sweet Dreams, Even the Nights Are Better, Every Woman in the World, Without You, before climaxing with All Out of Love. The duo was honored to be back in Jamaica performing for a worthy cause.
It's always great to be in Jamaica for whatever reason, but especially for the kids. We went to the hospital, as Graham said, and it was very moving for us, and it's great to see the contributions that everybody that comes to see us made to make this possible. So we love it here, we love the kids. We'll come back anytime. Chairman of the Issa Trust Foundation, Paul Issa, is grateful for the support he has received for the event, which took almost 2 years to plan.
Air Supply, we call them our goodwill ambassadors, because they really like what we do and they help us raise funds. And they said they would come back and do another concert, and we said, great.
The event's proceeds are slated to benefit the pediatric wards at the Anata Bay and Savannah Lamar hospitals in St. Mary and Westmoreland, respectively. Dancehall artist Charlie Black is celebrating the success of his 2015 hit track, Girl You a Party Animal. The track has now been certified gold in the US. In this video he shared with his fans, Charlie also announced that he is currently working on his debut album.
Big up the Almighty Father, make things possible. All the fans them over the world, Team Unstoppable, not change. Album coming this summer. Certified, zoom in. Certified gold.
The video for Girl You a Party Animal has hit over 212 million views on YouTube. The Daddy Yankee and Louis Fonsi remix lyric video also got another 60 million views. The song also received 392 million streams on Spotify. In the meantime, Charlie Black recently released the single dubbed Happy Zone. The song was produced by Izzy, who also worked on Coffee's hit song, Toast. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.